Standing here trying to figure out what I'm gonna name this video. Maybe keen observation, maybe stupid bees, maybe what the crap. Because I'm sitting here looking at this going, why in the world are all these bees flying around this 2-frame deep mating nuc? Well guys, you're gonna be just like me. You're gonna find out. I mean, there's bees, they're working like mad, and then there's all these bees flying around this little 2-frame mating nuc. I've said it before, I'll say it again. I walk the bee yard here at the house at least twice a day. Around 10 and then around 2. Because that seems to be about the time my bees want to swarm. But let's walk around. I'm going to walk around behind these hives because I keep getting hit in the back of the head as foragers are coming in. I don't know what the crap these bees are doing, but we're going to find out. It can be kind of hard to do one-handed. But I'm going to say that there's been a small swarm and it's moved in. Well, maybe they moved in and then they decided to move out. Or there was a small swarm in here and these are robbers that were robbing any honey stores they had. Can't tell. Yeah, there's eggs in there. So, where's the queen? Don't see a queen. See a drone. That's still encouraging since we've been down in the low 40s. Don't see a dead queen on the bottom and on the ground. So I don't really know. We will pay a little more attention to this. And see if these bees, all these bees that are in flight are going to land somewhere. So guess what that means? With that little bit of comb drawn, and I was not a great observationalist. Oh well, looking for a queen, don't see one. Thanks for watching Willie Bees. It pays to be observant.